Hello everyone, good morning. Today is 3rd January 2024. Today's my technical topic is encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation is the important feature of the object oriented programming system. It is the one of the pillar of object oriented programming system. Encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. For example, a capsule which is mix of several medicine. Encapsulation in Java, we can create a fully encapsulated class in Java by making all the data members of the class private. Now we can use setter and getter methods to uh, to get the data in encapsulation. Next is the Java is being class is the example of fully encapsulated class. I will discuss advantages of encapsulation. First of all, by providing only a setter or getter method, you can make the class read only or a write only. In other words, you can skip the getter or setter methods. It provides you to control over the data. Suppose we want to set the value of id which should be greater than 100, and only you can write the logic inside the setter. You can also write the logic to store the negative number in the setter methods. Next is encapsulation is way to achieve data hiding in Java programming language, because other class will not be able to access the data through the private data members. The next is encapsulation is a class is easy to test, so it is better for unit testing. It is the one of the most advantage of encapsulation. Next is the standard ID are providing the facility to generate the getter and setter method, so it is easy to fast and to create encapsulated class in Java programming language. And next is real life example of encapsulation is, suppose you have an account in bank. If your balance variable or personal data variable declare as a public, then your account balance will be show other person or illegal person. So that we would like to uh, hide our data or personal information, they declare balance variable as a private for making account safe from the another person or another pupil. The person who has to see his account balance will have to access only private method or members of the class in the getter or setter method with the help of encapsulation. Next is, thus we can active security by utilizing of concept data hiding, that is called encapsulation in Java programming language. Another real example of the encapsulation is email login. When we log in our email, then there is a lot of internal process taking place in backend. You have to control over it. When you enter the password for the logging, they are retry in the encrypted form, means it is hideable form. You do not have control over that how the process being verified, that is the backend part. And how to achieve or how to implement encapsulation in Java. There are two types or two way for the implementing the encapsulation in Java programming language. First is declaring an instance variable of a class as a private so that it cannot be accessed directly by other anyone class or fields. Next is provide the public setter and getter method in the class. It is the two way of the implementing encapsulation in Java programming language. So it is all about the encapsulation in Java programming language. Thank you.